Hi guys. Punta kami ngayon sa Amerika.
Happy birthday vlog.
Kasama ko si Mrs. Si James, so independent now. Juno. Kasama namin si Lola. Last kumain, naka-apat na lugaw na yan, no?
Isa pa lang ito.
Ano nga, apat yan, no? Si Lolo busy. Sarap yan, Juno, ice cream.
Kuya, ang dami na nakain.
Nila. Juno. Mama.
So many money.
You have to vlog it.
Target.
Do you know how to vlog?
Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're in Target.
We're in Target.
So wait, I want to see if they have Pokemon cards. Let's go.
Hey James. Yun is on Target. Guys.
Day 2.
Day 2. Day 2 namin sa LA. Kahapon gabi kami umuwi eh. Ay, nakarating pala.
Napatabi ka. Nasagasaan ka pa.
Saan yung mga anak mo, ma?
Kasama ng lolo. Hindi ko nga alam kung saan sila nag-park. Sabi mo yan.
Day 2 namin ngayon. Hindi nga namin alam kung paano kami uuwi. Wala na kaming pera. Hanap namin yung mga bata eh. Saan ba nag-park? Masan tayo pupunta?
Outlet store.
Hotel dito. Hotel yan, pero bahay. Kaganda ng kotse. Hi guys.
What is Mississippi? What is Mississippi?
Si Papa.
What is your YouTube channel name again?
Me?
Kasama buong
Oh,
tropa.
your dad has a YouTube channel?
Yeah, yep, my classmates
Punta
have
kami
a YouTube
Traders
channel.
Joe
Y'all need a video
dito sa
pretty soon, let
LA.
me know.
My son, stay in the middle 3 lanes. This is what the McDonald's look like.
LOL.
We're here at Traders Joe. We're gonna line up for a tote bag. Tama ba? Ano ba yung tote bag ma?
Kung papasalubong ko yun.
Eh, one per person lang.
One set per person.
How about the kids?
What's up?
Traders Joe guys. Ito yung pila para sa bag. Ooh. Ang haba. So long. So, we're here in Desert Hills.
Protein bars.
What will you buy, you know? Shopping muna kami guys.
I think I probably would like
180 stores. Outlet store. Ganda dito. Lawak. Buong disyerto, shopping center.
What do you think? What do you think?
You know, give me some dance move. Dance move.
I cannot.
James, sarap James.
Yeah.
Good. You know,
Papagod na din. Hello.
good.
Hello.
Merienda muna guys, pagod na sa shopping. James, Juno.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Raul!